Hey guys, this is Kevin from Dynomite Performance. We got the orange ram on the dyno, Jason behind the wheel. We got some upgrades to do today. We're putting in the Pulsar tuner, exhaust delete, as well as the K&N intake. So this run we're doing right now. This one's the stock numbers, so we'll go around and have a look, see what we got. It's hard to see. Okay, so maybe a little hard to see, but in stock configuration, this is a third gear pull with the 8-speed. We've got 304 horsepower and 332 foot-pounds. So that'll be our stock numbers, and we'll be looking to improving from there. Alright guys, so this next test, we've installed the K&N cold air intake. We have installed the Pulsar as well, but we're running at stock. So we'll see what we can gain just from the intake. Okay, boss. Okay, we'll go over and check the numbers. Okay, see a good gain there, guys. 325 and 342, so that's a gain of 21 horsepower and a gain of 11 foot-pounds of torque. Show you a quick view in here. So that's all we've done so far, just the K&N filter still running at stock. We have installed the Pulsar, you might be able to see it there, but we have it set for stock. So that took us about an hour to get installed. The instructions are fairly lame. Alright, so our next test will be with the muffler removed. Hey guys, we're back with our muffler delete installed. Now just a reminder, we started at 304 and 332. With the K&N we're at 326 and 342, so decent gains there, if you can see that. So we'll see if there's any gains to be had with the muffler delete. If you can hear that, it does sound a little bit more throaty. There's what we took out. Just replace that with a just a straight Y pipe. Jason's in the car or the truck again. Okay, boss. Again, we'll do this pull in third gear. It's an 8-speed truck. So basically, there's no horsepower gain, which we expected, but we did gain almost 6 foot-pounds. So there you go. That's just the muffler delete from our last test. Okay, so we're doing one just from inside the cab now. We don't need to see outside again. So just to leave off, this is where we were at. Stock 304, 331, K&N 325, 342, Muffler Delete, 323, 348. So we're going right to the performance setting with the Pulsar. Obviously we're not going to see much gains with tow or economy, so we'll just do this one and we'll see what kind of gains we get. Okay, you want to clear the graph? Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, so that's fairly decent. We got 335 and 356. So from the start of today, we're up over 30 horsepower and about 23, 24 foot-pounds of torque. So not bad.